Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the document and choosing the sections that need Roman numerals. Open Word, save a backup, and turn on the ruler and navigation pane so you can see breaks. Next, insert a section break next page where numbering should switch. This separates formatting. Once done, click in the new section and go to Insert Page Number or the header/footer area. Make sure Link to Previous is turned off so this section can use different numbering. Now you apply Roman numerals to the separated section. Click Header or Footer, choose Page Number Format Page Numbers, and select the Roman style, I, Roman 2, Roman 3. Set the numbering to start at 1 if it should begin fresh. If you need lowercase versus uppercase, pick the appropriate option here. Once set, confirm that Link to Previous is off so other sections keep their numbering. Make sure visible changes match expectations by scrolling through the section. Finish by repeating the break and format steps for each section needing Roman numerals, then update your table of contents so page references match. If you need uppercase Roman numerals, change the number format accordingly. A common issue is numbering continuing from the previous section. If that happens, reopen the header, disable Link to Previous, and reset Start at 1. If numbers still misalign, show hidden formatting marks to verify section break types and correct placement before reapplying format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.